Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can download free Photoshop brushes and install them and use them in Photoshop. So let's get started. So we have this website called as brusheezy.com. The spelling is bit different. Easy spelled with EEZY. So brusheezy.com, brusheezy.com. This is the website. Now there are plenty of websites there from which we can download different Photoshop brushes, but this is the most famous website, I would say. So you can download the brushes either choosing by category. You can simply click over here and you can choose the brushes from the categories like this: texture, gradient. So let's say if I choose gradient brushes, it will show all the gradient brushes over here. Or you can simply type the name of the brush that you want, and remember, we only want brushes, not thousands of brushes present, free brushes in this particular website. So I will type, let's say I will click here first and smoke, enter. So these are different types of smoke brushes. So let's say if I want to add these brushes to the Photoshop application, or rather this one, smoke 4. So I will simply click on the brush and you will see this free download button over here. Now if you download more than 3 or 4 brushes, then you have to sign up for this website, but the sign up is button, free download. It will take time to create the download link again. Once you sign up for this particular website, you can download n number of brushes. So it will ask the look. So it is downloading now, and installing the brush is pretty simple. This is quite a large brush per folder. So I will extract these brushes first, extract files. Okay. Now the process of installing is pretty easy. You need to simply double click on the brush or right click, open. Now earlier, like 4-5 years ago, the process was pretty much complex. You needed to copy this particular file and copy it into the program files presets folder. So now it is very simple. Simply double click or right click, open. So even if your Photoshop is closed, it will open automatically and the brush will be added at the bottom of the present brush group. So if I click over here, you can see if I go to the bottom, so this is the brush that we just installed, first downloaded and then installed, free smoke brushes. So inside this one file we have plenty of brushes, as you can see. So let's see if I choose this one, and you can choose any color that you want. So let's say if I choose white color first, and I will create a layer so that I can control the opacity. So this is how it looks, smoke. You can use it as an effect, or you can also create a background using different kind of brushes, because there are plenty of brushes. As I said earlier, there are thousands of brushes which we can download for free. So this is how we can use the brush. You can decrease the opacity, and if you want to change the color, simply choose any color that you want and we can create a brush, or apply the brush rather. So I will delete this. I will download one more brush just to show you how we can download different types of brushes. So let's say if I want to add a floral brush, so I will type floral, press enter. So as I said earlier, you can either browse the category or you can simply type the name of the brush. So there are plenty of floral brushes. So let's say if I choose this mandala, looks interesting. There are plenty of brushes. So this one looks interesting to me. So I will download this one. Simply click again, same thing. Click on this button. It will take some the download, and once it's done, it will ask for the location. So again I will save. Again I will go to this folder. Now this one, it's still downloading. It's done. So I will again right click, extract files, open, and remember we need to simply double click. The Photoshop gets open automatically. Again go to the bottom of the current brush group, so it will be added at the bottom, this one. So again I will choose any brush. There are plenty of categories of brush like floral brushes, color splash, bubble brushes. Again I will create a layer so that I can control the opacity. So this is how it looks. See if I choose a different color, click on the layer. So there are plenty of brushes that you can download and create some really wonderful backgrounds and designs for free. So this is how you can download the brushes from that particular website, brusheasy.com, and use it in your designs. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.